morning everyone. So today we are going to continue with our novel. In today's class we are going to discuss about chapter 2. So let's get right into it. Hello everyone. So today we are going to read a brief summary about the second chapter, that is Pinocchio the Puppet. As soon as he arrived home, Geppetto took out his tools and began to make the puppet. Now we have studied earlier that Geppetto was planning to make a puppet. That's why he visited Mr. Antino to buy a piece of wood which he can use in making the puppet. So as soon as he arrived home, he has taken out all his tools and he was all prepared to make the puppet. He decided to name it Pinocchio because he had known a family of the same name that got along excellently. So while he was preparing the puppet, he has decided that he is going to name the little puppet as Pinocchio because he had known a family of the same name that was very good family. So he has decided that he is going to name the little puppet as Pinocchio. Fine. He started to work, first the puppet's head, then his eyes, nose and mouth. So he has taken out all his tools and he was all set to make the puppet. First he has designed the puppet's head, then his eyes, nose and mouth. As soon as the hands were done, Geppetto's wig was snatched from his head. As soon as Geppetto has made the puppet Pinocchio's hand. As we all know, he is a real puppet. He can walk, he can dance. So the puppet, he has snatched the wig from Geppetto's head. Fine. Pinocchio put it on his own head. So he has taken out Geppetto's wig and he has put it in his own head. Okay. Geppetto felt very sad. He was very angry. There were still legs and feet to be made. When Geppetto had finished the feet, he received a kick on his nose. These all are the indication that Pinocchio was very naughty at beginning. He has taken out Geppetto's wig from his head and he has put it in his own head. And after the feet and legs they were made, he has given a kick to Geppetto. Geppetto taught the puppet to walk. But after few minutes, he ran into the street. Now Geppetto, he has taught the puppet how to move. But after a few minutes, he has ran down into the street. Geppetto ran after him crying, "Catch him, catch him." As we all know, the puppet Pinocchio, he was a real puppet. He can dance, he can walk, he can talk. So as soon as the puppet was complete and he has learned how to walk, he ran down on the street and Geppetto, he was running behind him and he was shouting, "Catch him, catch him." Okay. Luckily, a policeman was passing by. He caught Pinocchio. So as Pinocchio ran down on the street, at that moment a policeman, he was passing by, so he has catched Pinocchio. Geppetto was very angry and wanted to punish him. Now we all know Geppetto, when he has made the puppet has kicked him, so he was very angry and he wanted to punish the puppet. At this, Pinocchio threw himself on the ground and refused to walk. Now we all know Pinocchio, he was very naughty, so he has thrown himself on the ground and he has refused to walk. He said, "I am not going to walk." A crowd of idle and curious people gathered around him. Seeing the scenario, they thought how cruel Geppetto was. Now we all know Geppetto, he was very angry with the Pinocchio. He was a very angry person. So he was very angry with Pinocchio. So he was scolding him. He was trying to punish him. But the people around them, the people that were present there, they thought that Geppetto was not a nice man. He is troubling the puppet. On hearing this, the policeman let Pinocchio go and took poor Geppetto to prison. Now, policeman also thought that Geppetto was not a nice man and he was misusing Pinocchio. So he has let Pinocchio to go and he has caught Geppetto and he has taken Geppetto to the prison. As soon as the old man was taken away, that rascal Pinocchio ran home as quickly as possible. He lay down on the ground with great relief. Now, when the policeman took Geppetto to the prison, as soon as the old man he was taken to the prison, Pinocchio, he was really happy. He has gone back to his home and he was lying with great relief on the floor. A voice came that you are doing wrong. So as soon as Pinocchio reached home and he was lying there on the floor, a voice came that you are doing wrong. Pinocchio looked around and saw a cricket. This is the picture of a cricket. So he has looked around everywhere and he saw a cricket. Pinocchio became angry and threw a hammer at it. Then he said to himself, all I want is to eat, sleep and entertain myself. Now Pinocchio is saying to himself that I don't care about that old man. All that I need is to eat, sleep and to entertain myself. I have nothing to do with that old Geppetto. After few minutes, he felt hungry and started to search for food. But he couldn't find the food. So after few minutes, he felt very hungry. So he started searching for the food in the house, but he was not able to find any food. So he has decided that he went out in search for food. So he has decided that he is going to go out of the house and bring some food for himself. After few minutes, he came back home hungry and fall asleep near the fire. Now he was not able to find food outside the house also. And he was very hungry. So after few minutes, he came back to the home and he has fallen asleep near the fire. When he woke up, he found that his wooden feet had caught fire during night and had burnt away. So he realized that when he was asleep, he was sleeping near fire. So when he woke up, he realized that his feet has caught fire. Just then he heard Geppetto's voice asking him to open the door. But Pinocchio could not even get up. Now we know that his feet has burned down, so he could not even stand. But Geppetto was very angry. So he entered the house through the window. Fine, he was very angry because of Pinocchio, he has went to the prison. So he thought that he is not listening to him. So he has entered the house through the window. But when he saw everything, he felt very sorry for the little puppet. He took Pinocchio in his arms, kissed and hugged him, offered him food. Then he made new feet for the puppet and puppet promised not to repeat the same mistake again. Fine, so what happens? Geppetto, he took Pinocchio in his arms, he loved him and he has given him food also. He has made his new feet and the puppet realized his mistake and he has promised that he is not going to repeat the same mistake again. Geppetto and Pinocchio started to have happy times together. It was time for Pinocchio to go to school. But Geppetto did not have money to buy Pinocchio his school stationery. Now after this, Geppetto and Pinocchio, they started to have happy times together. Pinocchio obeyed his father. So it was time for Pinocchio to go to school. But Geppetto was not having enough money to buy school stationery. Therefore, he sold his coat and some part of the shop to give the money to Pinocchio. So what he has done, he has sold out his coat and some part of his shop in order to give money to Pinocchio so that he can buy school stationery. And Pinocchio was very excited to go to the school. Okay, that's all in chapter 2. Further we are going to study afterwards. This is your classwork. First question. What is the name of Geppetto's son? As we all know, it is Pinocchio. Pinocchio is the name of Geppetto's son. Second, where did Geppetto live? Geppetto lived in a small town. Who took Geppetto to the prison? The policeman took Geppetto to the prison. Okay. So first you try to do it yourself. Then you can see the answers from here also. Okay. So that much for today. Thank you.